makes me I guess. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Maaga pa guys. 10:37 ng umaga. Katatapos lang namin ni Mishka mag-almusal. And I decided to go out doon sa Raja Seat kasi naririnig ko na may mga sounds. Para maka-enjoy si Mishka sa park kasi maganda yung weather. Tapos yun nga, Durga Puja celebration. Let's see if ano yung ganap nila doon sa labas. Be careful ha. I am trying na ma-lessen yung screen time ni Mishka. Or mas better na mag-zero screen time na talaga siya. Yun yung tinatry ko na magawa. Pero ang hirap kasi dito guys, kasi syempre kami-kami lang, tapos nasa loob lang kami ng bahay palagi. So minsan wala talagang choice. It's either papanoorin ko siya ng iPad or sa TV. So, itatry ko na ma-lessen talaga yung kanyang screen time. So, the best thing that we can do is let her go outside. Then pala, go po na. Go po first. Go po first. Buti at dito ko lang sa bahay nagsabi na siya or doon tayo sa labas. Go! Go! Go, go, go. Yan. So, pupunta tayo doon ngayon sa Raja Seat. Hopefully, meron silang mga ganap today para at least ma-enjoy namin yung paglabas namin ngayon. And, kailangan ko din kasing paandarin yung sasakyan. Pwede naman naming lakarin papunta sa Raja Seat. Kaya lang iniisip ko na bababa ako tapos papaandarin ko yung sasakyan. It's better na mag-drive na lang ako ng sasakyan papunta doon. Hopefully, hindi ganun kadami yung tao para meron akong parking space. Gamitin din natin yung ating driving skills. Kasi yung sasakyan namin guys, simula nung umalis kami papuntang Patna, hindi pa siya napapaandar ulit. Yung last na pagpaandar ko siguro is yung nag-car wash ako noon. Matagal na, magwa 1 month na. So sabi na, Abi, paandarin mo muna yung sasakyan. Hindi talaga siya nagagamit dito. Tapusin ko lang itong mga hugasin. Then alis na kami ng Mishka. Done, Mimi? Okay, coming. Nakaikot na kami ni Mishka sa buong Madikeri. Punong-puno talaga ng tao, sobrang traffic. Hindi na ako magdadala ng sasakyan. Nakaisang ikot kami ni Mishka. Wala talagang parking space and sobrang daming tao, daming sasakyan. And I'm so proud of myself na nakayanan kong mag-drive na grabe ang daming sasakyan tapos ang liliit pa ng daanan namin. So hindi na ako magdadala ng sasakyan. Meron kaming baong mask ni Mishka eh. Put on your mask na. Mag-mask lang kami. Meron din akong payong kasi mainit ngayon and yung tubig ni Mishka. Ayan. Let's go. Meron sila dito ang activity hall. Ayan oh. And dyan naman yung Raja Seat. Wala kang pwedeng pag-parkingan dito guys. Feeling ko may activity sila ngayon kasi later. Wait lang, Mimi. Let's go. Yeah? Okay, baby. School program ata ito. Walk lang na. Ang daming tao talaga. Oh, they have fountain.
Kalis pa ng pala man ulta pa ikaw. Yeah, no, dahil siya. want? Later. Here, love, love. Excuse me. Which one? You want fish? Only one? How much is this? 50. This one, Mimi. Goldfish. Wow. 50 for two. See, what's that? Fish? What's the name of your fish? What's the name of your fish? Goldie? Pinangalanan niya na si Goldie. So finally, andito na kami sa bahay. Mishka's first pet. Pinangalanan niya na Goldie. But what about the other one? What's the name of the other one?
Mommy.
Mami. Si Mami and si Goldie. Hinatid kami dito ni Daddy sa bahay. And mamayang gabi pag uwi niya, bibilhan niya ng pagkain si Goldie.
Mom told put father go dito him die.
Goldie is going to die. Goldie will swim. Alam niyo ba bakit ako personally gusto ko na mayroong pet si Mishka? Hindi ko pa sa ngayon carry yung mga aso, pusa, ganon. Kasi parang feeling ko, dagdag siya sa magiging trabaho ko sa bahay. Gusto ko yung mga maliliit lang sana. It's either bird or fish. Pero si Abhi, ayaw niya talaga. Matagal ko nang sinasabihan na bilhan natin si Mishka ng bird or fish. Ayaw niya na mayroong pet sa bahay. Kasi parang kinukunan mo daw ng... Parang, Mimi, don't scream. You have to sing only. You don't shout at them. Kasi parang nawawalan daw ng freedom yung mga animals. So ayaw niya yung ganon. Pero ngayon, binilan ko si Mishka. Kasi gustong-gusto kanina ni Mishka, nakikita niya yung mga bata na bumibili. Sabi ko, bilhan ko nga siya. Dalawang goldfish for 50 rupees. So okay na din. This is Mishka's first pet. So she will just play with Goldie. Okay, enough na water. Enough na water. What food should we give Goldie? We'll search kung anong pwedeng mapakain muna sa kanila. So we have finally decided the name for our fishes. Where is Goldie? This one, the lighter one. And where is Orange? Where is Orange? That is Orange. Uy, hala. You love them?
Yes.
Do you love your fish?
Yes, it's my pet.
It's your pet?
Yes.
Aww. You will take care of them?
Yes. Mama's here. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie.
Lipat natin muna sila dito.
Here, Goldie.
Para mas laki. Here you go, Goldie. Go swim. No, like that. Go, Goldie, swim. Go, swim. Yay! Now they're happy. Be careful, don't touch them, okay?
I want to do that. I want to do that.
Wow. Go swim, Goldie. Lab, don't touch them. They will die if you keep on touching them.
Eddie wants to go with mommy.
Hi, Goldie and Orange.
Hi, Goldie and Ollie.
Where is Orange? And Goldie? Yeah.
Maybe it need be bigger.
You need what?
Bigger.
They need what?
It need be big.
They need to be big. Yeah, we have to feed them food. You have to remind Daddy to buy food later, okay?
That is stay in the shop.
Yeah. So currently, I am boiling egg. Kasi nag-search ako kung ano yung pwedeng mapakain sa mga goldfish. So yung egg yolk, pwede siyang pakainin. Baka kasi gutom na sila. So at least mapakain ko kahit konti before kami makabili ng pagkain mamaya. Medyo nag-aalala ako na baka mamatay yung isda. Ito din yung isang rason kung bakit ayaw niya binabilhan ng pet si Mishka. Kasi if in case daw mamatay, ma-broken hearted si Mishka. Yeah. We'll give Goldie food, okay?
But I was standing there.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Set.
But I was
1, 2, 3.
standing there.
2, 3.
I was standing there, Mom.
1, 2.
I was standing there.
Okay, okay. Here's our food for Goldie. Galit si Mishka kay Goldie kasi marami daw pupo. What happened, Goldie? Pupo. Okay. Yeah, just small one.
You put in front of Goldie. See, they're eating. It's so big. Okay, enough na, Mimi. We'll give them later. They're eating. Good job. Go eat. Good job, Goldie. You're eating. We'll keep this for later, okay? Enough. That is too.
Last one.
Small one, okay. The small one. This one. Small one, because that is too much for them. Okay, enough. Don't wash your hands there. Wash in the sink. Come on. Wash in the sink.
What's the alien? Why is everyone eating?
Everyone is eating.
Yes.
Yeah.
But see my come on.
Okay. Wash your hands, Danay. Wash your hands.
Good go.
Good girl, Goldie.
Mama, God is eating.
Huh?
God is eating.
Good job.
Good pet. Mommy, see mommy.
Good job, Goldie.
Oh, they are hungry.
They're hungry.
Oh, there's some more. Oh, I can't see the egg. They're eating. They like it.
Later.
Okay, later we'll change the water, okay?
Bumalik ulit si Abhi dito sa bahay and sabi ko on the way, bumili siya ng pastry or cake because today is Mama's birthday, my mother in the Philippines. She's celebrating her birthday today. So we'll sing happy birthday for her. Anong binili ni Daddy na cake? Okay, chocolate. Wait, this one. Why this one is big? But you have to eat your food first, okay? Okay. Iba't ibang flavors ng pastry yung binili ni Abhi. So we'll sing to Lola. We'll call Lola.
Wow.
We'll call Lola in a while. Okay? Kasi naliligo yun. Ikatatawag lang namin.
This is for me. I like it. I want to see.
Okay. Wait lang.
Chocolate one.
Happy birthday, Mama.
We'll call Lola Danay.
No, which one you want? Take one. You
We'll
take
call
one.
Lola. Ay, naku. Ang gulo nilang dalawa. Nag-aagawan pa sa
I
cake.
want this one.
Okay. I'll give you.
Si we'll call Lola first. Now we'll sing to Lola happy birthday. Kanina pa naman kami nakapag-sing. Mang!
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Akin bakla ka na cake kay makanta kami. Happy birthday. Sing to Lola. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayun, happy birthday, Yuya. Happy birthday, Yuya. Blow.
Thank you.
Oh, may cake man sa Give Lola cake na.
Mabaka cookie karon na no naman to sa kanan.
Wow. Mary, pag gani oh, tatlo ang yung bakal abhi. Gagmay lang nga slice, hindi man
Ma,
damo cake si Lola ha.
may cake ka na mo. Ha?
Happy birthday.
Mary,
Where's that spoon?
Mary.
Here. Did you sleep, Goldie?
Did I sleep Cody? My bed is dry.
Yeah. Or maybe they were just playing.
Ma, I want to buy a jello.
Aquarium.
Daddy could buy a jello for gold. Oh, it is for sad. Thank you for watching my video. Like my video. Bye.